Nakahawi na mukha ah.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the cast of The Kingdom!
Ito po ang pamaskong handog namin, Yoro from The Kingdom. Yes. Let's have a happy Christmas, meaningful Christmas.
Yes. God bless you all. Enjoy the film. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po ulit natin ang the cast of The Kingdom with our director, Direk Mark B. Cobiera! Good evening! Hello, Bossy! Hello, kapatid! Direk, simulan na natin yung interview with you. Of course, gusto namin malaman kung ano bang pakiramdam na ngayon. You will be able to share the kingdom. And you will be able to watch it for the first time and share it with our friends and family.
Grabe, sobra kaming proud sa pelikula to, sa project na to. Napanood niyo na ba yung trailer? Okay, tatanong ko lang, nagustuhan niyo ba yung trailer? Okay, we promise you, sinabi na nga, pinag-usapan namin ni Bossing to, mas maganda pa yung pelikula sa trailer. Okay, promise namin yun. Kaya maraming salamat. Alam namin, mahirap pumunta dito. This is the Friday before Christmas, pero pumunta pa rin kayo. Malaking bagay para sa amin to share this movie for the first time with friends, with family, with everyone. So maraming salamat.
Amen. Hi, fans. Thank you everyone for coming. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. It's excitement and kaba. Tinatanong ako ni PJ kanina, how are you feeling? Sabi ko, I'm okay. 5 araw na ako hindi nakakatulog. And that's because I'm excited. And at the same time, nandun yung kaba. And seeing my friends and family here, supporting me, supporting the film, supporting...
Visit Lucero daw! Thank you so much for having me.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming out tonight. Ang dami mag-traffic. Pero sana, hindi sana, sure namin may enjoy niyo po yung picture. Yes, yun po. Maraming salamat.
Short but sweet.
Ngayon tawagin natin si Cedric. Of course, we want to know how you're feeling as well. Or kaya may baka gusto kang i-share sa ating mga friends and family who are here tonight supporting us.
Yun na po. Sana yung magaganap na naman sa Film Festival, itong weekend nito ay nagpilitin natin ng mga pelikulang Pilipino starting po sa Pasko. Unahin po natin yung The Kingdom at kasama rin po yung siyang pa ng mga pelikula. Kasi lahat po ay kwento ng bawat Pilipino sa magkakaibang klase ng buhay. Yun na po.
Seth, ngayon pumunta naman tayo dito sa kabila. Hello, Zion. Hello, Mark. Kamusta naman kayo, guys? Ano bang nararamdaman niyo tonight?
Nakakaba kasi kasama namin one of the biggest cast of the film industry. So we're excited and happy to be proud of this. And congratulations to the entire cast, especially to the pro, to Direk Mike. And yes, guys, enjoy during this season with your family and friends to watch The Kingdom. Hello everybody, good evening po. First of all, I want to thank each and everyone for the time and effort to come here to watch the premiere night. And yun, I just
wish you all guys could enjoy the movie, The Kingdom, and patuloy niyong supportahan everyone. Thank you so much.
Zion, you want to say a couple of words to our friends and family for supporting you tonight?
I'm feeling very happy and excited to see myself a part of The Kingdom. Sana po tumaas ang rating nito at sana po manalo sa MFFF 50th anniversary.
Maraming salamat, Zion. Siyempre, lahat kayo papasalita rin ko lang dito. Sir Wally, come on. Share a couple of words to our friends and family.
Salamat sa sabi ko. May dugo ni Bathala, binasbasahan ng mga bataluman, makisig ng dula, mabuhay ang lakan! Sabay-sabay, 1, 2, 3, mabuhay ang lakan!
Mabuhay! Ay, wala akong energy. Isa pa daw. Isa pa daw.
Mabuhay ang lakan!
Grabe yung energy ng friends and family natin dito tonight. Susunod, go ahead. Ay, nagtago. Hindi pwede.
Kaya na, nakita tayo ng sili, uy.
Sumakit po ang tuhod ko eh.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. The Kingdom! 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 Kingdom!
Maraming salamat po. Direct, go ahead. Baka gusto nyo na pong i-share sa atin kung kailan po ba natin mapapanood in the cinemas ang ating The Kingdom.
Thank you. Ano yun? Halika na, nakita tayo ng sili. Pwede kita na. Let's go!
Let's go! Ayun naman po, naibibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon mag-hello sa ating friends and family na nasa Cinema 15. Kaya samahan niyo po ako, bibisitahin natin sila doon. Marela Torre as Yaya Mira. Zion Cruz as Felipe. Cedric Juan as Young Lakan Makisi. Nico Antonio as Derek. Mark Rivera as Diwa Lumanlan. Dylan Minor as Apollo Musngin. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Sid Lucero as Magat Bagwis. Sue Ramirez as Dayang Luwalhati. Miss Christine Reyes as Dayang Matimyas. And let's all welcome the director of The Kingdom himself, Direct Mike B. Tobiara. Let's all welcome Mr. Piolo Pascual as Sumo. And Bossing Vic Soto as Lakan Makisig.
Hi, Tali. Where are you? Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you everyone, friends and family. Maraming salamat for joining us tonight for the premiere showing of The Kingdom. At sana mag-enjoy kayo. Katulad yung pag-enjoy namin sa paggawa ng pelikula nito. Ngayon pa lang, Happy Christmas to everyone.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for taking your time to be here tonight. And we guarantee that you're going to enjoy the film. Thank you. Merry Christmas, everyone. Please enjoy The Kingdom.
Thank you guys so much. Alam namin na mahirap pumunta rito on the Friday before Christmas, pero pumunta pa rin kayo. Looking around, I don't think, actually, parang hindi natin premiere to. Actually, this is the Soto Family Block screening. Represent! Diba? So, maraming salamat. It's such an honor and a privilege for us to share this movie for the first time with friends and family. So, thank you so much for coming, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats, and of course we would like to acknowledge the presence once again of our chairman of PLDT.